Hi my dear students, I am Kedarnath. Welcome to my channel Make Mathematics Simple. So today I am going to explain how to find product of a number and a series of nines. A series of nines. So in this kind of problems we'll get three cases. So first case, number of digits in the given number is same as number of nines. Okay, so if you observe first three examples, number of in the given number of digits and number of nines are same. So like 2-digit number into 2 nines means 2-digit number into 99, 3-digit number into 999, etc. Case 2, number of digits in a given number is less than the number of nines. If you observe case 2, these three examples, in the given number how many digits are there? 3 digits. But how many nines are there? 4 nines are there. So that means your number of nines are more. That means number of digits in a given number is less than number of nines. That means number of nines are more. Case 3, number of digits in a given number is more than the number of nines. These are the three cases. So how to find these products just in 2 seconds. So look at the first case. So number of digits in a given number, is same as number of nines. Okay. So 782 into 999. Here it is a 3-digit number and here how many nines are there? 3 nines. So 3 plus 3 how much? 6. That means if you multiply these two numbers you will get 6-digit number. So what is that 6-digit number? Okay. So what is the given number? 782. In that you subtract 1. Then what you will get? 781. Okay. Next, what are the remaining 3 digits? So 7 plus how much is 9? 2. So that is the 4th digit. Next, 8 plus how much is 9? 1. 1 plus how much is 9? 8. So 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. So thus the answer is what? 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 8. Thus the answer is what? 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 8. So this is the answer for what? 782 into 999. Okay. Now here 1258 into 9999. That is 4-digit number into 4 nines. Okay. So same logic. 1258 minus 1. How much? 1258 minus 1. How much? 1257. See here, we are multiplying 4-digit number into 4 nines. So 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. That means if you multiply these two numbers, how many digit number will get? 8-digit number. What is that first 4 digits means? So given number minus 1. So this is the given number. So given number minus 1. 1258 minus 1 is how much? 1257. So what are the remaining 4 digits? So here what is the first digit? 1. 1 plus how much is 9? 8. Next second digit 2. 2 plus how much is 9? 7. Next 5 plus how much is 9? 4. Next 7 plus how much is 9? 2. So thus 1258 into 9999 is equal to 12578742. So in the same way, what will be the answer for the last question? So last question answer is what? 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Next, what are the remaining 5 digits? So 2 plus how much is 9? 7. Next 6. Next 5. Next 7. Next 4. So there was the answer. Okay. Next. Of course, case 1 is also discussed in earlier session also. Okay. Just I am recalling. Next, case 2. So case 2 is what? Number of digits in a given number. Number of digits in the given number is less than the number of nines. That means number of nines only more. See here it is a 3-digit number, but we are multiplying with what? 4 nines. So number of nines are more. Then how? How to multiply these? So just like above logic only. What is the 784? Given number is 784. What is 784 minus 1? 783. 784 minus 1 how much? 783. So it is a 3-digit number. It is a 4-digit number. 3 plus 4 how much? 7. So we will get how many digit number? 7-digit number. Okay. Now 784 minus 1, how much? 783. Here it is a 3-digit number, but it is a 4-digit number. That means it is a 3-digit number. Here how many 9s are there? 4 9s. That means how many 9s are extra? 1 9 only extra, because it is a 3-digit number and it is a 4 9s. Okay. So given number contains only 3 digits, but number of 9s is 4. That means how many 9s are extra? Only 1 9 is extra. That 1 9 you write here. Okay. Only 1 9 extra, that is why 1 9 you write there. Then remaining 3 digits. Remaining 3 digits as it is. So here what is the first digit? 7. So 7 plus how much is 9? 2. 7 plus how much is 9? 2. So 7 plus 2 9 only. Next 8 plus how much is 9? 1. 3 plus how much is 9? 1. Sorry, 3 plus how much is 9? 6 Allah. So 7 8 3 9 2 1 6. Okay. Suppose if you are getting confusion, how many 9s are extra? For that you make it round. Okay. So here 3 digits are there. So after 9 also how many digits you will get? Only 3 digits. So 7 plus how much is 9? 2. 8 plus how much is 9? 1. 3 plus how much is 9? 6. So 7 plus 2 9. 8 plus 1 9. 3 plus 6 9. So thus the answer is 7 8 3 9 2 1 6. That was the answer. Next here 4 digit number into 5 9s. So 4 plus 5 9. So how many digit number you will get? 9 digit number. Okay. So first given number is 3572. Given number is how much? 3572. In that if you subtract 1, what you will get? 3571. So given number contains 4 digits, but number of 9s is 5. That means how many 9s are extra? Only 1 9 extra. So after 3571 you write 1 9. So make it round. Okay. So before 9 how many digits are there? 4. So after 9 also how many digits you need to get? 4. So what are those 4 digits? So 3 plus how much is 9? 6. 5 plus how much is 9? 4. 7 plus how much is 9? 2. 1 plus how much is 9? 8. So thus 3572 into 99,999 is equal to 357196428. Now next 42 into 5 9s. So 2 plus 5 how much? 7. So you need to get 7 digit number. Okay. So same given number is what? 42. 42 minus 1? 41. 42 minus 1? 41. Okay. So given number contains 2 digits. Given number contains how many digits? 2 digits. But here how many 9s are there? 5 9s are there. That means how many 9s are extra? 3 9s only extra. Here 5 9s are there. Here it is a 2 digit number. That means how many 9s are extra? 3 9s only extra. Because 5 minus how much? 3. So how many 9s are there? Extra? 3 9s are extra. So here you write 3 9s. Make it round. Okay. So now before these 9s, how many digits are there? 2 digits. After 9s also how many digits we need to get? Only 2 digits. Okay. Now 4 plus how much is 9? 5 only na? Next 1 plus how much is 9? 8 only na? So thus 42 into 99,999 is equal to what? 41,999,58. Okay. So look at one more example. Suppose say 786 into 99999. So 786 into 9999. So it is a 3 digit number. Here how many 9s are there? 5 9s. 3 plus 5? 8. So you need to get how many digit number? 8 digit number. Okay. So given number is what? 786. If you subtract 1, what do you get? 785. 785. Here it is a 3 digit number, but it is a how many 9s are there? 5 9s. That means how many 9s are extra? 2 9s. So 2 9s are extra, you write 2 9s. Because it is a 3 digit number, but here how many 9s are there? 5 9s. So 5 minus 3 how much? 2. So that means how many 9s are extra? 2 9s are extra. So make it round. So before these 9s, how many digits? How many digits are we are getting? 3 digits. After 9s also we need to get how many digits? 3 digit number. Okay. So 7 plus how much is 9? 2. 8 plus how much is 9? 1. 5 plus how much is 9? 4. So thus the answer is what? 78599 214. For example, if I take one more number, suppose 787 into 99999. So total 6 nines. So what will be the answer? So here 3 digits, here 6 nines. So what is the answer? I am writing 7, 8, 6, 9, 9, 9, 2, 1, 3. Correct? So there was an answer. So look at the third case. The third case is number of digits in a given number is more than number of nines. If you observe here, this is a 3-digit number and we are multiplying with how many nines? 2 nines. That means number of digits in a given number is more than number of nines. Then at that time, how to find this product? So what is the given number? 793. Write 793. Into how many nines are there? 2 nines. So write 2 zeros. Because here 2 nines are there, 2 zeros. Minus given number. What is the given number? 793. Okay. So 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 12 minus 7, 5. Here it is 8, 7. So answer is 78507. Okay. Next, 2452 into 999. So here number of digits in the given number is more than number of nines. So write the given number 2452. So how many nines are there? 3 nines. Write 3 zeros. Then subtract given number. What is the given number? 2452. Next, 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 11 minus 2, 9. Here it becomes 4. Again here 4. This is 2. So that was the answer. So this is a method to find the product when number of digits in the given number is more than number of nines. Okay. I hope you understand this session. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and ask them subscribe my channel to get more number of videos. Thank you.